No scientists can tell the exact age of a tree. When a tree trunk is cut, you can see growth rings inside. Each ring represents 1 year of growth. This method is called dendrochronology. During spring and summer, trees grow faster and form light-colored rings. In autumn and winter, growth slows, creating darker rings. One light and one dark ring together equal 1 year. If the tree is still alive, scientists use a special tool called an increment borer to remove a small core sample without harming the tree. That's how we scientifically determine a tree's age.